Hi everyone, this is just a quick update on Bitcoin, and in front of me I have Bitcoin weekly chart, and as you can see today Bitcoin has dipped below 100,000 and currently trading at 99,360 at the time of making this video. So 1 week back I posted a video describing the wave counts, long-term wave counts, and showing what are the potential levels both on the upside and downside where Bitcoin could go. And since right now it's looking very bearish, it's a very steep fall if you will go to lower time frames. And long story short, you need to watch that video to understand the levels and why those levels are important. But quickly let me cover the downside risk here. So this is the long-term wave 4 and this is the long-term wave 5, right? And within this 5 we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and within this last leg 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now this leg itself, if you will go to daily, you can count 5 legs within it. So this is basically 9 leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this essentially itself is an impulse, and if it is an impulse, right, so that could mean that this fifth is actually over here, and along with this fifth many different degrees of long-term 5 could complete here, the 4 degrees at least that we can see here, right? And if that is the case, that would mean Bitcoin has to do this retracement of from the very beginning. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is all complete. And in the worst case, assuming that this is the only 5 wave impulse which is in play, and we don't really consider all the previous long-term counts, even in that case, if we take a retracement of this move from here to here, then we can see 38.2% of this retracement of this rise is 75,000, and 61.8% the golden ratio, and which also happens to be at the previous degree 4 wave, which is where it ended around this zone, that is at 52,000, around 50,000, right? So that's the downside risk if it continues falling from here. There is always a possibility that these 5 waves could become 9 waves. So for that we need to monitor 61.8% of this last fall. Let me remove this so these numbers are clear. So 61.8% of this rise is at 88,775. So if Bitcoin falls below this level and start trading below this 88,775, then it would pose a serious possibility that it could fall further down to the 61.8% of this rise, which comes to around $52,000. Watch the video that I posted last week for more details. And that's all for this update. Thank you.